Monotony is indicative of immaturity of the creative imagination and inactivity of intellectual coordination with the spiritual endowment. By the time an ascendant mortal begins the exploration of heavenly worlds, he has already attained emotional, intellectual, and social, if not spiritual, maturity. Love of adventure, curiosity, and dread of monotony. These traits inherent in evolving human nature were not put there just to aggravate and annoy you during your short sojourn on earth, but rather to suggest to you that death is only the beginning of an endless career of adventure, an everlasting life of anticipation, and eternal voyage of discovery. Curiosity, the spirit of investigation, the urge of discovery, the drive of exploration, is part of the inborn and divine endowment of evolutionary space creatures. These natural impulses were not given to you merely to be frustrated and repressed. True, these ambitious urges must frequently be restrained during your short life on earth. Disappointment must be often experienced, but they are to be fully realized and gloriously gratified during the long ages to come. The local universe to which your system belongs is pursuing a definite and well understood counterclockwise course around the vast swing that encircles the central universe. This cosmic path is well charted and is just as thoroughly known to the superuniverse star observers as the orbits of the planets constituting your solar system are known to Urantia astronomers. You are following the orderly and predetermined path of the super-universe space level. You are now passing through the very same space that your planetary system or its predecessors traversed ages ago, and someday in the remote future your system or its successors will again traverse the identical space through which you are now so swiftly plunging. In this age, and as direction is regarded on Urantia, Super Universe number 1 swings almost due north, approximately opposite in an easterly direction to the paradise residence of the great sources and centers in the central universe of Havona. This position, with the corresponding one to the west, represents the nearest physical approach of the spheres of time to the eternal isle. Superuniverse number 2 is in the north, preparing for the westward swing, while number 3 now holds the northernmost segment of the great space paths, having already turned into the bend leading to the southerly plunge. Number 4 is on the comparatively straightaway southerly flight, the advanced regions now approaching opposition to the great centers. Number 5 has about left its position opposite the center of centers while continuing on the direct southerly course just preceding the eastward swing. Number 6 occupies most of the southern curve, the segment from which your superuniverse has nearly passed. Your local universe of Nebadon belongs to Orvanton, the seventh superuniverse, which swings on between superuniverses 1 and 6, having not long since, as we reckon time, turned the southeastern bend of the superuniverse space level. Today, the solar system to which Urantia belongs is a few billion years past the swing around the southern curvature, so that you are just now advancing beyond the southeastern bend and are moving swiftly through the long and comparatively straightaway northern path. For untold ages, Ovanton will pursue this almost direct northerly course. Urantia belongs to a system which is well out towards the borderland of your local universe, and your local universe is at present traversing the periphery of Ovanton. Beyond you there are still others, but you are far removed in space from those physical systems which swing around the great circle in comparative proximity to the great source and center.